Nobody.
Alright, y'all, I already started this repair, but I ain't get too far, so I can show y'all what we got going on. This is a MacBook that came in that needs a screen. Let's take a look and see how the screen look. Can we see the crack? I'm not sure. But if it's cracked, you'll see the crack, and then you'll see it not cracked when we finish. There it is. So it's on, and if I remember quite frankly, no display, so we're gonna put a new screen in, see if we can get this to display. It's on right now. As you can see, the fans are spinning, but it's definitely on. As you can hear, fans are spinning. So let's dive in, unplug this, get the screen out, and see if a new screen solves all of our problems. All right, so what we are unscrewing right now is the video cables. Video cable is disconnected. Just a few more screws, and I should have this removed.
What are you doing? For real? Yeah, boy.
Alright, new screen is partially in. This is the part where gotta make sure before we go all the way. This is this fix. Plug her up. Boom. Screen is on. We got that. So we good, right? I'm gonna let it go all the way so I can get some picture. And voila. So now we can proceed.
Now we don't do reminders. If you go into that, bro, I legit will eye contact you in one of the giants I went to. The day was Super Bowl, hey, can you turn on my service? I'm gonna give you $32. I got 87 cents.
What it do? What it do? You came right on time.